What's up, y'all? It's your girl AnEyeIVKicks back in Orlando. I am at the Simply Clean Expo. First time at this event, first time at an evening event. This thing didn't start until now. It is 6 o'clock and it feels like my day is just getting started. Let me go ahead and do a little fit check for y'all. I got a t-shirt I've had lying around that had the infrared and silver, and it matched these kicks perfect. We've got the Travis Scott 6 British khakis. Undead stocking them today with some cargos, some khaki cargos. I did go ahead and hit up Trophy Room while I am here in Orlando. So let me go ahead and throw y'all a little B-roll of that store.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Alright, y'all, again, this is the first time at this event, and it's actually located at the Orlando Science Center, so it's in a museum, so it should be a little bit different than anything else other than, you know, being in the evening. So I'm excited to head on in and see what we got going on, and I'm still looking to pick up those Travis Scott Air Max 1s. If I can flip a pair of shoes that I got, you know, with me in the arsenal, even better. But let's go in, have a good time, see if we can make a trade, and see what this event is all about, guys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds.
Alright y'all, I'm super excited about this pickup. I got a subscriber that has been looking for this shoe forever. This is pure nostalgia for this person, and I found it. I mean, look at these stars. There's like 0 star loss. It's one of those things, they just wanted to recoup their money back for this shoe, and your girl scored. I'm gonna let him go ahead and shout out where you can find him at.
How y'all doing? My name's DNT Heat. Catch me on Instagram. We got it all, baby.
I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind.
Alright y'all, so I got a couple pairs of the Adidas slides. We got the Yeezy slides versus the, I guess, the Addicts. These look like 3D printed slides if you ask me. It's like that topographical map looking, but they're really squishy. Like, I would say that squishy level or squishy scale, they're very comparable to the Yeezy slides, but a lot of people are preferring these. I think the biggest reason is because if you look, the Yeezy slides run very narrow compared to these, and I feel like a lot of people just prefer that extra little space for their feet. I'm a Yeezy slide girl, so I mean, I like these piques my interest, but I'm gonna stick with these bad boys. So what do you guys think? Drop a comment below and let me know, which ones do you prefer, which ones would you rather have in the collection, or do you want both? Maybe you're greedy.
The next day.
Y'all, when I tell you I am exhausted, I did not get home until 2:30 in the morning because the event was in Orlando and it was an evening event. Your girl is super glad that she took the day off because I would have died. So yeah, I'm a little bit delayed wrapping up the event. Overall, it was an amazing event, and I definitely plan on hitting up the next event that Simply Clean does in October in Orlando. So as always, guys, if you're in the area, make sure you check out the event. Before I really get any further with this recap, let me go ahead and remind y'all, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you comment below, you know, what did you think of the event? You know, they had, like, as you saw, like, the dinosaurs everywhere, and then they had in the other area like all this like weather and space related stuff. Like, it was really cool having an event be in a museum. So it was totally different vibe with the event, and it was more chill and a lot of networking. Although I did not see my pair that I am searching for. Also, guys, give your girl a thumbs up for this video and share it with your friends and family. I know y'all have plenty of friends and family that are sneakerheads that would get some serious use out of my videos. I would probably just enjoy watching it in general. Side note, yes, I know my voice is still hoarse. I can't help it. Anyhow, so let's go ahead and just kind of recap the pickup. Just, well, kind of 2 pickups. One shoe, like accessory. That's the word I want. Alright, so I still can't believe that I was able to pick up this shoe for a subscriber. I would definitely say that this shoe is kind of like a grail for him. I didn't even show the box. I am slacking, y'all. I got too excited. Alright, so you've got your box. I already showed you guys when I was picking it up what it is, but It's a grail. This is a very nostalgic shoe for this person. It's a shoe that they had, I think it was like in high school or something, like when they were younger, and they're not really a huge sneakerhead. So for this shoe to be something that they were like, ah, I need it, I gotta have it, it's kind of extremely rewarding to be able to assist and pick up this pair. And the condition is freaking beautiful, guys. So yeah, so we do have the Jordan 4 white cement. It is an older shoe, so one thing I always do when I pick up an older shoe like the 4s that does have that foam, it's super intact. Like, there's no risk of crumbling in this pair. Again, the guy that was selling them, his dad was just trying to get his money's worth by selling them, so they weren't knocking anybody over the head. And if you've ever seen prices for these things, guys, like, it's ridiculous. Obviously, again, they're used, so it wasn't going to be that crazy anyhow, but I saw some pairs that were rough at that event that were going for more than this pair. So extremely lucky that I went ahead and grabbed this before anybody else did. And then shout out to Shoe Charm City. Y'all have heard me talk about them before. I've been blessed with a couple of their products previously. They did a whole like rebranding. Like, Ron is the owner, and he's such a cool guy. He'll talk your ear off, but in the best way possible. And his products are really dope. Like, I love seeing people go over to his stand and just like pick out different charms that they want. Like, guys, in this community, everybody's supposed to eat. We all supposed to help support each other. So let me go ahead and show y'all. They did, obviously they're the Got 'em charms. So, you know, Got 'em like on Sneakers app, if you are able to hit. Totally different, very simple. You could wear them on any shoe. I feel like with this image in the background, you've got the Panda Dunk, so I feel like that would be the most obvious go-to, but again, you can really put them on anything. They switched up even, I don't even feel like taking them out of the box, I'll be real with y'all, but I don't know if you can see the back of them, like the technology that you stick the laces through. It's like one loop there, whereas before, I have to show y'all. Before, they had like multiple different little loops that you had to feed the laces through. And while I love the original designs, it is a lot more convenient to have just the one loop, so you don't have to unlace it quite as much. Again, guys, Shoe Charm City. I'm going to go ahead and link him in the description below, along with all the Facebook groups and everything else that your girl is a part of that I'm pretty sure y'all would love to be a part of. Guys, go check him out. You know, he's got some paisley cactuses. If you guys have some Travis Scotts, those would look super dope on those. I'm probably going to pick up a red and black pair of the paisley cactus charms when I finally grab my Baroque Brown Air Max 1s. So yeah, definitely super cool. And he weighted these differently. So like, I don't know if you guys can see, they just kind of like sit right up, even though they've only got like 1 point of, you know, connection to the box. These things sit up nicely. So he even played with the weight distribution, so they would sit up nice on your shoes when you wear them. So definitely make sure y'all go check him out. All right, so that was it for the pickups for the event. Again, guys, nothing crazy. They didn't have the shoe that your girl wanted, so it was more of a chill networking vibe. I'm not sure if anybody was able to score those off-white mids that were in that lockbox. So I think that's just like a random number that he generates. We were kind of going back and forth, like maybe there's Easter eggs in some of the flyers that he's posted on Instagram, or maybe there's things around the event. No, we're pretty sure that it's just like this random number generator that he uses, and people sitting there playing with that lock forever. Let's talk about what do we got coming up. See, what do I have my eye on? There's two things on sneakers right now. I did have my eye on the Louis Vuitton Air Force Ones that did load. I believe they loaded today on the Louis Vuitton website. I thought about it. I thought about it for a little bit, but I realized I need to be a little bit more responsible than spending $2,700 on a pair of sneakers that can go towards bills. So yeah, bills won that round, but they are so fire, and all the different ones that they have. I really like the one with like the metallic and the purple, and I think it's got black too. There's like different colors on it. So dope. But your girl's gonna have to pass on that. Let's see. Oh, but attainable pairs that are coming out. I'm going for the Jackie Robinson Dunks. Those things are crazy. I've seen them in hand a couple of times. The details are nuts. And I know I keep saying I'm not a huge fan of blue on shoes, but something about that like electric blue, it just, the powder blue I can do without. But that electric blue, it hits different. I always figure out a fit to go with it anyhow, you guys know. And then let's see, the Nostalgic, which I guess is the street name, but like the Chanel ones that are coming out, they give me very Ohio State vibes with the colors, and then like a Letterman jacket with the Chanel on the swoosh. If you guys are into 8s, you know where you've seen that Chanel material from. It is on the tongue of Jordan 8s. So now they're trying to switch it up a little bit with the material. So that's definitely a no-brainer for your girl. They have some space hippies that just loaded the Volt colorway. Do you guys actually wear those? Like, I've seen a couple people say that they're super comfortable. Do you guys own a pair of them? They're just not for your girl. I can't do it. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. And as always, guys, keep tuning in to see what I've got my eye on next.